maybe so, maybe not, because there's not a lot of square footage there.
Exactly. Yeah, that's a great point. Every time I get asked whether or not small multifamily works, it does if you have that property already, probably, and you have a low monthly payment on it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if it's a quadplex with one ones, you could maybe add, like you said, convert the living area into another bedroom
Yeah.
in each of the units. At the end, it's going to be an 8-4 with 4 kitchens, and the
Yeah.
price to buy that property is going to be sky high versus getting a $450,000 single family property around 2,000 square feet and still having that same 8 bedroom count.
Yes. Yes. That was the biggest thing for me. I've had agents keep sending me multifamilies, the small multifamilies, which is, that would be great, but that's not my strategy. I really don't want to spend eight something to get what I can get out of a single family home.
Exactly.
So how would somebody get started from scratch? They don't already have properties that they can convert over.
Sure.
They're starting from scratch. They don't know anything about pad split. How does one get started?
Yeah, firstly, shoot me an email, ellis@padsplit.com. I should have put it in my name that I used here. But yeah, shoot me an email. I'll connect you with realtors, wholesalers, and maybe even investors who are looking to sell their turnkey pad splits. That's
Yeah.
kind of how you got started yourself.